Want to cancel your Google Gemini subscription? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First, open your web browser and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you used to subscribe. Now, click on the Settings and Help option at the bottom left corner, and then select the Manage Subscription option from the pop-up menu. A new tab will open. From here, click on Cancel Membership and then click on the Cancel button. This action will take you to the Google Subscriptions page, where you can see your active subscription plan. Now, find Google AI Pro in the list and click on Manage. Next, click Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email from Google letting you know your Gemini subscription has been canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Google Gemini subscription. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials.